It's the only one. And I'm gonna show you right now. See where the Margaritaville is at? That tree right there on the right side. If you look very closely at it, you're gonna see. Guys, please watch your heads on the right side. Watch your heads. That's tropical poison ivy. Watch out. I'm just messing with y'all. They're like, really? Oh. It's like the Jungle Cruises at Disneyland.
Ese señor que está ahí.
San Antonio. That's what they named it after him.
Ahí está,
To
mírenlo.
be honest, nobody would run through this fast with bigger place that guy. Remember that movie Ghostbusters? Yeah. That's not it. No, that's not it. It looks so similar, right? Make a left turn. We're gonna cover the McGuire section of the river first, and then make our way back over here. It's a sharp turn, right? There we go, we got it. Okay, so one thing I'm gonna show you, it's pretty cool, is the Hilton Palacio de Rio. That hotel is right there on the left side. As you look at the hotel, guys, you see how all the rooms going on in another area? They were building all of those rooms. They actually built the rooms and they put all the furniture in there. And that
Dude,
way,
como de-
once that was done, they brought the rooms back here.
Sí. Ajá.
They picked them up with like frames and they stacked them up on top of each other like Lego blocks. World's Fair we were hosting in 1960 needed a snow space. I'll talk to you about the fair later on in the film. And a good right next to them is that wonderful bronze statue. It's known as Welcome Home to the Briscoe. And there's the Briscoe behind it, guys. That museum actually features a saddle belonging to Pancho Villa.
The Rex we're losing.
Now, before we do go underneath that bridge right there across the street, guys, you're gonna have one view of the Tower Life building. The Tower Life building, just a little story about it. That building right there was the tallest building. We actually have over 150 weddings a year on that very spot. Pretty nice, guys. But you know, sometimes when there's a wedding going on, you always have that one guy on the boat, and he always ruins it for the wedding. Yeah. He's like, don't do it. It's so bad. There's draining spouts during heavy rains. And then a good report. Pretty cool. Anyways, guys, we're back into the main part of the Riverwalk. You can see all of our restaurants, shops, bars. Actually, brought it down. The first thing I want to show y'all is this. On the left-hand side, guys, there's a beautiful La Mansión del Rio Hotel. Very, very beautiful building, guys. Back in 1853, that building was actually known as the St. Mary's School of Boys.
Mira.
4th and 5th waterfall on the left and right side.
Look. Wow.
Now, the next thing I want to show y'all, it's an optical illusion. As we do past that bridge right here in front of us, look to your left-hand side and look all the way up to the very top. You're going to notice how that building looks like a flat, freestanding wall. In front of the Alamo. You know how to get there?
Estamos bien.
Really easy, just walk through the Hyatt. There's the Hyatt in front of us. On the right hand I guess we have that beautiful 6-story building. It's called the Casino Club. Yeah, don't let the name fool you. That building on the right side was not a casino. It was a German social club. Today the building is now used as a restaurant, and then people live up there, guys. Those are apartments. Imagine living right there, guys. Right next to everything down here on the Riverwalk. Pretty cool, guys.
Está sudado. Está sudado.
We're gonna be entering River Square right now on the left side, guys, for the kiddos. They will love
Hace mucho calor.
everything on the left side, guys. I think my nephew's there. They love it out. And these are the boats just finishing up. Okay, people always ask me, where's the best place for Mexican food? Usually I tell them my mom's house, you know, it makes the best Mexican food. But of course, it's 1 hour away. Right there on the right hand side, guys, there's Casa Rio. That's the oldest restaurant on the Riverwalk. I love going there with my family. But I do recommend that restaurant, not because, you know, like Blair, because they've been here for 70 plus years. They must be good to We're going to be making a left turn. We're going to be entering back into our man-made part of the Riverwalk. For some reason, that's where, you know, a lot of people fall in. Don't know why. I could imagine why, you know, people drink a lot and, you know, fall into the river. Other times, guys, you know, we just have people that are on the phone and, you know, playing Pokemon Go or texting, whatever they might be doing. And